Now, here we are. We have all the information ready. And now I just found out a home. Let me see. I found a home at aria.com. Let's see. This is Houston's. Maybe I go to realtor.com. Let me see. Realtor.com. So I go to realtor website and I find a home. Any home. Let me see. Let me see. I find this $680,000 home. I like this home. I want to buy this home. Very interesting. What's the address? Let me copy the address here. Okay, copy the address. I go back to the aria.mortgage app and I say, I want to buy this home. If I want to buy this home, I click create new scenario. So I'm going to paste this information. When pasting, you need to allow paste, like this is additional security. So I just pasted the name. So what I'm doing is I want to calculate how much down payment is required. What is my monthly payment? What is cash to close? What is the interest rate? Everything I can get live here. Let me see. Let's click on create, and it created this scenario. It put some random number in there just for us to show sample numbers. Let's click on continue. And here you see, I am using FICO score, gross income, liabilities, this. And also, if you see, it says co-borrower name is here. If I go down there, these are the co-borrowers I previously added. And one of them is green. So I want to use this Begum as my co-borrower. So let me go back here. And you see, I can see Begum's credit information as well. Credit score, income, liabilities. Because this person chose to share with me, I can see that. If this person chose not to share with me, I will not be able to see, but this calculator will still work, just like a loan officer is going to do this job. But you know what? I want to check without the co-borrower. So I just click here. I don't want a co-borrower here. So let's see. I have the credit score, income, liabilities, funds and asset, and I am not using a co-borrower. So this was step 1, this is step 2, this is step 3. I need to add the property info. So I click on step 3 and I say the property address is this and it is 77056. I need to add that number here. So this will allow them to calculate what city is it. You see 77056 is Houston, but 77406 was Richmond, so it will change it. I just click on search and it will bring that. Once you click on search, it will bring all the information. So let's see, what was the purchase price? Let me go back and take a look at it. The purchase price is $680,000. You know what? The purchase price is $680,000, but I want to make an offer for $650,000. Okay, what is the annual tax? Let me go back here. Okay, what is the tax? Okay, so the property tax is $922 monthly. So annual is what? 922 multiplied by 12. So annual tax is $11,064. So I come here and I add the annual tax 11064. What is the HOA fees? It's Home Owner Association. It is not everywhere, but here it is $258 per month. So 258 multiplied by 12, that's 3096. That's a lot, man. It's expensive. 3096. And the insurance, $650,000 home. The insurance need to be at least, you know what, $2,400. And it's a single family, 1 unit property. Okay. So I put all the property information here. So step number 3 is composed of that. I am interested in buying this property. I'll put that property information. I'll put the zip code here and click search. This ensures that the zip code that I'm using, it uses the limits from that area. So I click save and close. The property information is added.